Nice to meet you, Rajib. My name is Tina. I'm from Enterprise Architecture. I'm glad you could take time out of your busy development schedule to meet with me today.
No problem, Tina. I want to do what I can to promote Microsoft technologies within the organization.
Great. I see that you are committed to Microsoft products. While we are impressed with the technology, we don't want to be locked in. We are thinking about moving to Google App Engine for one of our upcoming development projects.
What? Are you serious? Google App Engine sucks. It does not offer the depth of functionality on the development side or the operations side.
I see you feel strongly about that. What if we move to a Tomcat or JBoss environment using an enterprise Oracle database?
You've got to be kidding me. JBoss is a piece of crap. Tomcat is not even worth the sweat on my balls. And Oracle is the biggest joke this side of mumps.
Oh, I see. Well, we do need an alternative. What about PHP and MySQL? Would you consider learning those technologies as part of our enterprise strategy?
I'm sorry, Tina, but I've built my career on Microsoft technologies. In fact, Dave from Microsoft is my mentor. I will not let him down. If Microsoft doesn't make the technology, then I know it sucks.
How can you possibly know it sucks if you've never used it and you've never compared the features and functionality?
Oh, Tina, you are so naive.
Rajib, I think you are a total dumbass, and I'm not sure that you really know anything about .NET technology.
You better be careful, Tina. My mentor Dave has friends in Redman.
Oh, that's the way you want to play it. I have friends in Mumbai. You'll be sorry that you didn't comply, Rajib. Trust me, you'll be sorry.
Rajib, there is a rumor going around that you will be fired. Have you heard that?
No, Phil, that's the first I've heard of anything like that. Although, I did have a very confrontational meeting with Tina from Enterprise Architecture.
Oh really? What happened?
She was suggesting that we use all of these inferior technologies for future projects. She says we need an alternative to Microsoft because we don't want to be locked in.
Enterprise architecture is always out of touch with app dev. I don't even know why they don't stay out of our business. She should be helping us figure out how to get better support for application development. I've been burned by MSDN.
Phil, I'm a little worried about that meeting with Tina. I told her that she should be careful, because my mentor Dave knows people in Redman. She told me she knows people in Mumbai. People in Mumbai are much scarier than people in Redman. Don't you agree?
Yes, I've met people from both, and Redman is like Disneyland compared to Mumbai.
Phil, I don't want to be fired. What should I do to make sure I keep my job?
I would listen to the song Code Monkey and do everything that he does in that song.
Code Monkey? I've never heard of it.
Yeah, just Google Code Monkey, buy some Fritos, some tab, and Mountain Dew, and then you'll know exactly what to do. Just don't talk to your manager Rob about it. He only wants that login screen coded.
Thanks, Phil.
You are welcome. I also have to warn you, that chick Margaret, from project management is looking for you.
Crap, Phil, I can't get a break.
Oh, there you are, Rajib. I've been looking for you. Did you get my email and voicemails?
Well, no, it might have got caught in my spam filter.
I need an update on your coding progress. You've got 3 deliverables due by the end of this week.
Yes, I know. Can I get back to you on that?
Well, I'll give you a short extension, but I had to update the CIO tomorrow afternoon. So you better follow up with me or else.
Yes, Margaret, I will follow up with you or else.
Also, how did your meeting go with Tina from Enterprise Architecture? She's very sharp. I think she's the best enterprise architect that we've ever had here.
It went well. Although, I don't think she really understands technology. Have you met Dave from Microsoft? He's my mentor. I think their products will help us.
Rajib, it's time to start thinking about your future. We are putting you on a performance improvement plan. Have you thought about where you want to be in 5 years?
A pip. You putting me on a pip?
That's right, a pip.
I need to talk to my mentor. I pledge allegiance to the third largest software company in the world. With liberty and justice long forgotten, I can carve out a future by criticizing all technologies not made by Microsoft.
Dave, I've been trying to get an appointment with you for the last 12 months. It's become a very challenging time for us. I just met with the board of directors regarding our technology direction, and we are considering alternatives to Microsoft. Everyone knows that Apple and Google are both beating you in the market. IBM will always be your nemesis, and I'm still pissed that my iPhone and iPad cannot open Microsoft Office documents without the fricking format being screwed up. Not to mention your mobile strategy has been a big joke. You don't have decent tablet that I can offer to the enterprise, and Windows 7 still blue screens on network and print drivers. You've turned my developers into zombies, and now I have to upgrade the laptops in my 3,000 branch offices. I'm thinking about moving our enterprise to the cloud through that new Google Chrome operating system.
You're one of the brightest executives I've ever met. I'm glad you understand the cloud. That's a big part of our strategy. But if I were the CIO, I would reconsider Google. You know they're an ad company? It sounds like you may not understand our big picture and our long-term strategy. Especially with all of the cool things we are pretending to do in the cloud.
Oh, I see. I see. Now what is your strategy again?
I'm glad you asked. Since we are the most dominant software company in the world, it's actually quite a simple little strategy that's worked for years. We continue to pursue a development strategy that prevents all other software vendors from being compatible with our products. Therefore, if you try to switch, you will be totally screwed. Now, do you understand?
No. I don't.
Let me put it another way. I have friends in Redman and we can get you on the cover of CIO magazine.
You've got my attention.
All you have to do is commit to using all of our products and getting rid of this non-Microsoft crap that you have laying around here. We'll do a feature story that promotes the great things you've done for this company. Your career will skyrocket and recruiters will chase you like teenage girls chasing Justin Bieber.
I've always wanted to be on the cover of CIO magazine. What do I have to do?
First thing you have to do is fire Rob. He's so hung up on that login screen that he can't get anything else done. Rajib will become your new vice president and director of application development. I also want you to think about firing Phil. He's not a team player. Now repeat after me. I pledge allegiance to the third largest software company in the world. With liberty and justice long forgotten, I can carve out a future by criticizing all technologies that are not made by Microsoft.
I've got to get this login screen done. My manager Rob has been all over me about it. I probably would have gotten it done if he didn't keep taking it away from me and reassigning it to Phil every 30 minutes. I wish he would just code this goddamn screen himself. Someday, I'll work for Microsoft, and I won't have to worry about defending the technology choice every day. You know. That chip Tina from Enterprise Architecture had on a very nice sweater today. I wonder if she would go out with me. Never mind, I need to forget about her and get this login screen finished. Maybe Rob will tell Margaret how my performance has improved. I'm working late on finishing my deliverables for the project. Wow, that Phil is sure a nice guy. He gave me some great advice today when we met in the conference room. Too bad he can't code worth a crap. Code Monkey loves Fritos. Code Monkey loves Tab and Mountain Dew. Code Monkey very simple man with big warm fuzzy secret heart. Code Monkey likes you.